Hi everyone, my name is Hope Eden. I'm a member of the Forex Beginners Academy by Saad Ali, and so far I have learned a lot from this group. The training has helped me to learn about exponential support resistance, Fibonacci retracements, moving averages, trend lines, channels, mindset, risk management, and candlestick analysis. I'm also able to read and analyze price charts on TradingView. With the private student group, the private student group has actually helped me. When I post on the private student group, the reviews there has been very, very helpful because it has helped me to learn my mistakes and how to make improvements on them. Thank you so much, Mr. Saad Ali. I appreciate it.